Hey there, and welcome back to Milk Matters USA, the place where we talk all things baby, breastfeeding, and parent life. I'm so glad you're here today, because we're diving into a topic that has so many new parents wondering: cluster feeding. What it is and how to handle it. Let's talk cluster feeding. If you're a new parent, you might have noticed your baby suddenly wants to nurse all the time, like every 30 minutes, sometimes for hours. It can feel confusing and honestly, a little overwhelming. First of all, you're not doing anything wrong. And no, your milk supply isn't drying up. This is totally normal. Let's break it down. Section 1. What is cluster feeding? Cluster feeding is when a baby wants to nurse a lot more often than usual, usually in clusters or bunches, over a few hours. It's most common in the early weeks and during growth spurts. You'll usually see it in the late afternoon or evening, just when you're trying to relax or eat dinner, right? But here's the thing, it's actually your baby's way of helping increase your milk supply. Babies are so smart. Their little bodies know what to do. Section 2. Why do babies cluster feed? There are a few reasons your baby might cluster feed. They're going through a growth spurt, they're seeking comfort or closeness, they're helping regulate your milk supply, or they're just adjusting to the outside world. It can feel exhausting, but cluster feeding is usually short-lived. Most babies go through it around 2 to 3 weeks, again at 6 weeks, and sometimes during the 3-month mark. Section 3. How to handle cluster feeding. Alright, now let's talk about how to handle it. Here are a few tips that can make cluster feeding a bit easier. Number 1. Get comfy. Set up your favorite feeding spot with water, snacks, a phone charger, and the remote, because you might be there a while. Number 2. Let your baby lead. Try not to time feeds or stress about schedules during cluster feeding. Just go with the flow. Number 3. Take care of you. Drink water, eat nourishing meals, and nap when you can. If you're feeling touched out or drained, that's okay. Ask for help or take a short break when you need it. Number 4. Baby wearing can help. Skin-to-skin contact and wearing your baby in a sling or wrap can calm them and give your arms a break. And remember, you're not alone. So many parents go through this, and it does get easier. Your baby is growing, and your body is doing an amazing job keeping up. Section 4. When to call your pediatrician. Okay, real quick, when should you be concerned? Call your pediatrician if baby isn't having enough wet or dirty diapers, they seem unusually sleepy or hard to wake, or in a lot of pain while nursing, or something just doesn't feel right. Trust your instincts. You know your baby best. So yes, cluster feeding can be exhausting, but it's also a sign that your baby is growing and thriving. You're doing an incredible job. You've got this, and we're here for you, yellow heart. If this video helped you feel a little more confident, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for more baby tips, and share it with a fellow parent who might need it today. Milk Matters USA, because every drop counts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of yourself and your little one.